Welcome guys and girls to another episode of map making tips and tricks with Mr. Dimeren. Today we are making something very useful for adventure maps, and that are called spawn points. Oh, sounds good. Okay, for this kind of spawn points we don't need buttons, pressure plates to activate or whatsoever. So let's get started. Well, let's see what we need. We need first command block, and that can be a cure. Give Mr. Dimeren 137, and here is our command block. Okay, then we need a comparator, a hopper, button, a repeater, and I think that's all. Okay. Okay, let's get started. First, I forget something. Let's take this green wool. First of all, we need a dummy objective. Okay. Here we'll put our dummy objective. So, scoreboard. Let's add a dummy objective. You can add like this: scoreboard objectives. Add. What name should we give? Let's pink status dummy status, and we need to place a button here. You can place a button holding shift and then just place the button. Okay, now let's activate it. I think it was activated. Let me check it. Yes, an objective with the name status already exists. Oh, I think I pressed 2 times. Okay, so there's a dummy objective called status. Okay, then I need this to prove my theory, and I need to show you the dummy objectives, how it's worked and the other things. Okay, let me add this: scoreboard objectives, set display sidebar status. Okay, set display objective in slot, sidebar to status. Until we don't change our status from 0. When someone entered this word, he got 0 status. And for that to change, okay, let's start creating the checkpoint. Okay, now we need 2 hoppers facing each other. Just put the one hopper down and then press shift and then right click and place the second one. Now you see this hopper is facing that one, but this one is facing down, so you break it and then again shift and right click. Okay, so you see the two are connected. Okay, now we need a comparator, one command block, second command block, and the third command block. Here we'll place a repeater. Okay, now we can, it's almost done, it's very simple. Oh, I forget, we need to set a global spawn point. So when someone will enter in this world, it will be automatically TP'd to a certain location, and this will and okay, we need to make one. So this one here will be our global spawn point. So if I go out and I come back, this is the place where I will spawn. Okay, so now the next step, we need to get our coordinate. Okay, you can find that pressing F3. Okay, so now you can see your X, Y, Z coordinates. So let me type it. Minus 1855 dot 40416 space 2 for the white, and the Z coordinate is minus 414 dot 28676 I said. Okay, so here I want to be my spawn point, my first spawn point. So from here I will start my adventure. Okay, now let's do the trick. Okay, we'll start with the first command block, the one on the bottom. Okay, so let's type in. So first, when I enter in this world, I want me to be TP'd in that certain location. So /TP at A, so everyone in this map who enters in this world, I want to be TP'd in that same location. Okay, so score status underscore minimum equals 0, comma score underscore status equals 0. Then we need the coordinates. Oh, I forgot to copy the coordinates, so let's go back. Control A to select all, and Control C for copy. Okay, so here is my coordinate. This is the exact location where I be TP'd. Okay, now hit done. Okay, so when I will enter in this world, I will TP it there. Oh, the sun is down. Let me check, fix it. Time set 5000. That should do it. Okay, back to work. Now here, after I got TP'd there, I need, okay, when I got TP'd there, I want to set my spawn point at the same location. Okay, so you can do it like this: /spawn point. So I did not write it correctly, so be careful how you write it, because it's very sensitive. If you mismatch one word, one number, it will be chaos. I will write down and put the codes in the description, so you can only copy and paste it in the command block, so don't worry. Okay, so /spawn point, did I write it correctly? Spawn point, yes. And now we need the closest person who got TP there to the spawn to be set there at P. Now we need the coordinates again, but this time we don't need the full coordinates. We need to delete the how it's called, the okay, just do it like me. I deleted the numbers after the dot, so it's a fixed number, integer. No, it's not. Yes, it's integer number. We need just integer numbers. Okay. Now don't forget the commas between these numbers, because it won't work. Once I forget and I just got TP'd there over and over and I couldn't go anywhere. It's a mess. Just don't forget the commas. Okay, after these coordinates we need a radius. So in a, let we put 6. So in a radius of 6, who is in that radius, the spawn point will be set there. Okay. After this, comma, again comma, don't forget the commas, it's very important. Score status minimum equals 0, comma, score underscore status equals 0, and that should do it. Then hit done. Okay, we have our, we will be TP'd there and we will get our spawn point there. So now we don't want to be TP'd over and over there for an infinite times. We need to get out of that loop. So you can do it like this. After you got TP'd there and your spawn point was set, now we need to change our status from 0 to, because the TP only affects people with status of 0, so we need to change it. So scoreboard players set at P, the closest person. Okay, again we need the coordinates. Just delete the numbers after the dot and don't forget the commas. Okay, in a radius of 5, 6, 2, let we put 4. Score status minimum equals 0, comma, score status equals 0, and now we want this to be changing status 1. Okay, so let me check if I wrote it correctly. Yes. So when I will be TP'd there, my status will be changed to 1, so I can move freely. Okay, so let's test it. Now in the hopper we place a button, and you see I got TP'd, and you can see the sidebar on the right that it's changed from 0 to 1, so status Mr. Dimmer, and it's now 1. and I can move freely. But if my status wouldn't change from 0 to 1, I would got in just repeat over and over for an infinite time. It would be a pain in the ass. Okay, so we have our global spawn point. Now we want to make checkpoints. Okay, so for example, we want our checkpoint to be here. Let's put green wool. So here will be one checkpoint. So first of all, let we test if the spawn point is working correctly. So first I want to keep my inventory. Game rule key. Oh, what's okay? Game rule keep inventory true. Okay, now let's test the spawn point, the global spawn point. /kill. Oh, and it's worked. I'm here, I can move, I can do what I want, whatever I want. Okay, now I want, when I come here, I don't know, parkouring or anything else. Let's say I come from here to here, and when I die over here, I will be TP'd here and not on the blue wool. Okay, so we need again our coordinates, which is, let's type in, okay, minus 165 dot 6139, I guess it's 8. Yes, I think it's 8 too for the y coordinate, and z it's minus 402.67813. Okay, so we have our checkpoint, first checkpoint coordinate. So let's go. We will do something similar for this. We need again two hoppers facing each other, a comparator, two command blocks, and one here, and also a repeater here. So I'll come here, copy, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, so I don't need to write it again. Okay, but done, hit done. I will do for all and then remake it. Ctrl E, A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, so now I need my coordinate, which is this one, this number, this big number. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and now go to the first one and delete this coordinate and replace it with the next one, which is this number here. Okay, after you done this, you go to the second one, and here is your coordinate. Just delete it. You can let the radius to be the same. Okay, now delete all the numbers after the dot like this, and never forget the commas. Every time you need to put those commas. Okay, then everything is done. Now hit done, and now we need to go here. Okay, just delete it and replace it. Again, delete the numbers after the dot. Don't forget the commas, like this. Okay, so we almost did it. So when I go here, nothing happens. If I came here, my state is still 1. It's not good, because if I go further and type /kill, I won't be TP'd on the green wool. I am still TP'd on the blue wool. Okay, for that to be done, we need to place another comparator. Oh, and I did not start. Oh, here, our button, just placing the hopper, and it's working. So let me check it again. I'm here, my state is still 1, and if I die I won't be TP'd here, I will be TP'd back to the blue one. So to fix that, we need here a comparator, a block, any kind of block, and then a repeater. And now you can see it's activating. Okay, now put a fourth, 1, 2, 3, a fourth command block here, and then you need to type in this one. Just copy the command which change your status, and we add it here. So so I want, when I'm at status 1, I want when I'm status 1, I want my status to be changed on 2. Okay, so if I go there, my status will be changed on 2. Oh, and here I did something wrong. Okay, here I got status 1. So here I forget to change it to 2. So when my status will be changed to 2, I will be constantly TP'd there. We need to do the same here. So when my status is changed to 2, my spawn point will be set on the green wool. Hit done. I forgot this. Sorry if you know and you was like, oh my god, what a noob, he forgot to change the status. Okay, and here, okay, so we got our status 2, and we don't want to be TP'd over and over on the same location, so we change our status to 3. Okay, so if I go there, because of this command block, my status will be changed on 2. Then, because of the last command block, it will be changed to 3. So let's test. Okay, so I'm here, you see it's changed to 2 and then to 3. So now if I go, I don't know, over here and type in /kill, I will die, and I will respawn on the green one. So it's very simple. Okay, let me do third one. I need a red wool. No, purple wool, because it's my favorite color. Okay, put it here. So my coordinates are -155.69440. Then the y coordinate is 2, and then the z is -389.81335. Hit done, enter. So let us make another one fast. Okay, let's. Okay, we need again two hoppers facing each other, a comparator, three command blocks, and a repeater, and just copy paste the commands, Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, and now we need our coordinate. Just Control A, Control C, and then we need to change it here. This is our coordinate, and now we are at status 3. So when we will get status 4, every time you need another status, not the same you have now. You can add 5, 4, 7, 8, but not the same. Okay, status 4. If we got status, when our status will be changed to 4, we will get TP'd there. You got it. So, and after we got TP'd, we need to set our spawn point. And don't forget to delete the numbers after the dot. We need only integer numbers. And never forget the commas. They are such a pain in the ass. Okay, so when we are at status 4, our checkpoint will be set. Okay, hit done. And now we need to delete this like this. Control copy, Control paste. Delete the numbers after the dot. We need only we need only integer numbers. We don't need decimal, or how it's called, I don't know. Okay, don't forget the commas like this. And then when we will get our status 4, we need to change it to 5, or I can do 6, 7, 8, but I will do 5. So when I will be TP there, my status will be changed to another number, another value, so I won't be TP'd over and over in the same location. And we need a comparator, a block, and a repeater, and then another command block. We need this. Only just copy it, and then come here and paste it without that V. So now we need to change it. So if I go there and my status is 3, I want to be changed to status 4. So if I go in that location here, here is the coordinates. And if I got a status of 3, I want it to change to 4. Why? Because if I go there and my status is 4, I will be again TP'd there, and my it's 4, and my spawn point will be set there on the purple wool, and then my status will be changed to the next one. Okay, let's test it. So I slash kill, I got respawn here. So now I'm going here, I'm going on the purple one, and you can see from 3 is changed to, oh, why is not changing to 4? Let me check it fast. Oh, it's not working because I forget the button. Oh my god. Okay, never forget the button. You see, now it's working. It's working. I forget the button. Oh, come on. Okay, so when I go here, I have status of 3, and now it's changed for 4. And I did something wrong. Now you can see it's tipping me over and over in the same location. You see, if you do something wrong, that's happened. You can't leave this location. So I need to type scoreboard objectives remove status. Oh, it's not working. Why it's not working? Scoreboard objectives status remove come on, why it's not working? Scoreboard objectives scoreboard remove status. Oh, so now it's removed. I can go freely because I don't have a dumb objective. Now let's see, player not can be found because here I press W. Oh, come on. Oh, so be aware you won't mistype something. Okay, let's start. So here I started, I added my scoreboard, and now I'm at 1. Here, let me see, you see, I'm on status 1. Okay, now if I go here, I will have 3. Okay, so if I die, I will be spawned back there. Okay, now if I go here, my status will be 4 and then 5. So now it's okay. I can move freely, can do whatever I want, and let me test it, /kill, and I will be spawned on the purple one. Woohoo! We did it good. So you can add how many checkpoints you want. Just don't forget to do as I did, and try to don't mistype something, because you'll see you will be TP'd over and over again, and you don't want that. It's a pain in the ass. So that's all. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like the video, and if you want to see more stuffs, more map making tips and tricks from me, I have plenty of those. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these things. And I'm also a map maker, so if you want to see my awesome maps, I do single players and multiplayer maps. Shortly you will see it. I will test it. It's nice. I'm working on 2 maps at the same time. I don't know why, but it will be fun. So thanks for watching and see you guys later. Goodbye.